The more powerful the technology, the more careful we need to be in how we use it.
I think if we've created something much smarter than us that is aiming to compete with us for resources, it's game over.
Affiliate in South Korea recently debuted the country's first AI news anchor. It's a replica of one of their anchor women, so it copies everything from her look and her facial mannerisms to the sound of her voice.
Artificial intelligence is already taking the world by storm with its latest technologies such as GPT-3 and GPT-4. However, if certain precautionary measures are not taken, AI may even wipe out humanity from the map of the world.
Technology. It's advancing faster and taking less time to be widely adopted than ever before. Like, as in it took roughly 10,000 years to go from writing to printing press, but only about 500 more to get to email. Now it seems we're at the dawn of a new age, the age of AI.
So the question is, what's artificial intelligence and how is it going to impact humans? Artificial intelligence is a technology which is related to making machines act like humans.
This aspect of humor is often used as a test for AI.
AI is going to change the world forever. Robots are going to take the place of humans in the near future and everything is going to drastically change. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can survive in the age of AI and benefit from it. There is no denying the fact that AI has got huge potential to revolutionize human life, but it also has some potential threats for humans.
Everybody should have access to incredible educators. Everybody should have access to incredible medical care. We can make a long list of these. But I think we can get there pretty soon. I can imagine GPT-7 doing these things incredibly well. What I would like is sort of a global conversation where we decide how we're going to use these technologies. A universal basic income. We share the benefits of this as widely as we can.
When you develop such high-powered machines, you need to be careful of the consequences as well. It is assumed that such powerful AI systems can behave in unexpected ways and can lead to unintended harm to humans. It is very necessary to address potential threats posed by AI through strict regulations and a strong system of checks and balances. By regulating AI, we can reap the maximum benefits from the technology as well as minimize the negative impacts of it. Surviving in the current era of artificial intelligence is indeed a Herculean task and requires a creative mindset as well as a number of skills. If you are to grow and adapt according to the changing conditions of work and life, you must equip yourself with some useful skills to survive in this technological era. Though AI is compatible with human intelligence, it lacks creativity and critical thinking which humans possess. If you want to survive in this competitive era, develop a skill which makes you a creative person such as machine learning, data analysis, etc. There are also other possibilities that large computer models may exceed human intelligence in a number of tasks such as decision-making, pattern recognition, reasoning and language translation. At the same time, there are also optimistic people who view these smart AI models as saviors of humanity and think that they are necessary in business, farms, and utilities to save time and money and enable us to enjoy a more sophisticated future. Optimistic remarks on AI also include that such applications may help in diagnosing chronic diseases and helping humans live fuller and healthier. AI is still a transformative technology, which means that it will grow with the passage of time. The instruments of AI are still in the research phase and it's very important for you to stay relevant in this era. You can enhance your skills such as automation of data, problem-solving techniques, and machine algorithms to advance in the age of AI.
The more we can rely on imitation learners over explicit planners, the safer we'll be. Because imitation learners imitating a human very well would behave like a human, rather than trying to take over the world to intervene in the provision of reward.
It has been rightly said that change is the only constant in the world. You need to show flexibility if you are to embrace the new technology. Do not pay heed to any conspiracy theories about AI and continue learning useful skills to make yourself competitive and productive. Tech leaders and giants encourage people to look at these large AI models just as a tool and not a replacement for human genius. They are of the view that human intelligence is unlimited while these AI machines are merely trained to perform with pre-fed data. Job displacement due to AI technology is another growing concern among the experts who fear that tasks currently performed by humans may be done by machines in near future. OpenAI, the company which launched GPT-4, has sent a wave of shock among the academia who are fearful of losing their jobs. It has become controversial in the field of education as students use it to cheat and pass exams unfairly. It also kills creativity and students don't learn by themselves, rather they rely on these chatbots to pass the exams. In addition to it, it is also feared that as AI technology and tools become more sophisticated, they may even overtake humans in markets such as manufacturing industry, healthcare, advertising, content writing, etc. AI systems can only be useful as long as they are trained and fed on pre-recorded data and show discrimination and bias in case the data fed into them is discriminatory. There is another point to keep in mind, that AI models lack transparency and they are quite complex to understand. This lack of transparency may even lead to a mistrust between technology and humans. There are also other security concerns about AI models owing to their vulnerability of hacking and cyber attacks. Data may be stolen from such models by non-state actors who may cause harm to the people.
The right place to approach the problem is figuring out how we don't make AIs that behave that way. There's not nearly enough work on safety.
The biggest question mark on the inventions of artificial intelligence is that how do you manage the use of such systems and who will govern this whole phenomena? Just think for a while, if all the nukes land in the hands of aliens, what will be the fate of this universe? If these intelligent machines go out of control, they can start the end of humanity on this planet Earth. That's why it's must to have a strong system of regulations and oversight by the authorities regarding its development and use. Such fears have also been expressed by Tesla and Twitter CEO, Elon Musk, who thinks it very necessary to pause the inventions of artificial intelligence and develop a mechanism for its safe use. Look at this clip to know the dangers of unregulated and unchecked AI systems.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
So what's the way to survive through these technological advancements? The only option we are left with is to collaborate with AI technology and embrace it. Think of a scenario where humans and machines work together to achieve collective goals. Building a stronger partnership with AI will bring numerous dividends to humanity. In conclusion, AI is an innovative and modern technology and has brought a lot of ease and comfort in our lives by organizing data, powering self-driving cars and solving complex problems. But surviving in the age of AI requires flexibility, willingness to adapt and learn new technology and tools. Once we embrace AI with open arms, it can open new doors of opportunity and progress for humanity.